Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am obsessed with this set of measuring cups and spoons.
This set of gold measuring cups and spoons from Much to Love is truly obsession worthy. I have gotten back into baking recently and I wanted something a little bit fancy just to fit the aesthetic going on in my kitchen now. I love how these look. I love that I can keep these out on my counter and have them displayed, and they are so pretty, but they are more importantly functional. They are made of stainless steel and solid wood, but they have this beautiful golden color. You have the traditional measuring cup sizes from 1 cup down to a quarter cup, and the spoons come in tablespoon, teaspoon, half teaspoon, and quarter teaspoon. That way, you are able to measure everything perfectly for whatever you are baking or cooking. They are easy to clean and they shine up beautifully. Whether you plan on baking with these or displaying them, they are a must have.
These are not only beautiful, they are also functional, and I think they really bring a touch of whimsy and beauty to my kitchen and my baking area. I highly recommend getting them, and that's my point of view.